We start now with our coverage on Donald Trump's tariffs, as President Donald Trump abruptly paused higher tariffs on all countries except from China. The US dollar plunged against the euro and other main rivals. All white EU Chief Ursula von der Leyen said the bloc will suspend a planned package of tariffs on US goods to give negotiations a chance. Asia-Pacific markets have risen following Wall Street's biggest burst of buying since 2008. Japanese markets led gains in the region with benchmark Nikkei 225 closed higher than the previous day's closing. Taiwan's stocks closed up a record percent as tech giants TSMC and Foxconn soared almost 10% each. Australia's S&P ASX 200 soared, while South Korea's Kospi gained significant points, while Hong Kong's Hang Seng and the Shanghai Composite rose. European shares also surged, prompting a massive relief rally after days-long market rout. The Pan-European Stocks 600 opens new tab jumped significantly since the tariffs took effect on April the 2nd, up to the last close. In early trading, Germany's DAX initially gained some points, but it later came down, while the CAC 40 in Paris rose and Britain's FTSE 100 surged. Meanwhile, US futures edged lower and oil prices also declined. Chinese shares saw more moderate gains given yet another jump in the tariffs, US and China imposing each other's exports. We are now joined by Ayanaba Bayoji, correspondent for NewsX World. Ayanaba, what are the latest on those numbers today?
Hello Tom, let's take a look at the market numbers. Moving on to Europe, the markets have been very volatile today because of course Trump has announced a 90-day pause on the tariffs that were imposed on 2nd of April. Let's first go to IBEX 35, which is the stock market index of Spain. We can see that currently it stands at 12,375.80 points. It has gained 578.20 points and 4.91% in the last hour. Moving on to FTSE, which is the stock market index for United Kingdom. It currently stands at 7,985.23. We can see that the numbers are rapidly changing. It has also gained 306.10 points. The numbers are constantly changing. Now it's showing that it has gained 305.93 points and 3.98%. The markets are volatile. European Union has declared that it won't be imposing retaliatory tariffs on America, and it has been affecting the numbers as well. Moving on to DAX, which is the stock exchange of Germany. It currently stands at 37.94 points. We can see that there has been a tiny dip in the market. Even though there is a dip, it has been able to gain 3.10 points, 8.90%. Moving on to CAC, which is the stock market index for France. It currently stands at 38.39 points. It is also showing a little bit of dip, but it has gained 1.86 points. It has gained 5.09%. The France Stock Exchange, Camden National Corporation, is showing a little dip. Now moving on to AEX index, which is basically the stock exchange for Amsterdam. It currently stands at 832.31 points. It has gained 35.86 points and 4.50%. So this is the numbers that we have coming from Europe. Over to you, Tom, in the studio.
Thank you very much, Ayanaba. We are now joined by Gerard Al, Field Marketing Manager and China expert.